Good afternoon to everyone. Today I am going to start exercise 6.4. Now in this exercise we will do the question number 1. Let's read this question number 1. After that only we come to know what was in question it is asked. It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. And this exercise, remember that we need to use the concept of theorem of similarity which we discussed in previous class. Okay, so here we need to given in this question that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their area are equal, and their area are given respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. This area triangle ABC is equal to 64 centimeter square and area triangle DEF 121 centimeter square. EF is 15.4. We need to find BC. So if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then by the theorem of similarity, which we discussed in previous class, that's why I've written here also that by the theorem, that statement of this theorem I am going to repeat it so that you all can recall. The statement states that the ratio of area of two similar triangle means triangle, if it is similar, then the area ratio of both the triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. Once again I repeat, if triangle is similar, then the area ratio of both the similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. Okay, so we will use that concept here, that is area triangle ABC upon area triangle DEF is equal to BC square by EF square. Now put those values, 64 by 121 is equal to BC square by EF square. Now taking square root to both sides, what we will do, we will going to take square root to both sides. So if we are taking square root to both sides, so square root of 64 and square root of 121, it will be 8 by 11, and there BC square root will become BC, and EF value is given as 15.5. So I have written square root 64 by square root BC square by EF square. Then when after square root we will get it 8 by 11 is equal to BC, that only we need to calculate, and EF value is 15.4. After simplification you will get it BC is equal to 11.2 centimeter. Okay, till this it is clear. Another question. Here in this question you all can see figure. It is given in this figure that diagonal AB and BD, two diagonals are there. One is diagonal AB AC, another diagonal is BD. Both intersect at point O. So ABCD is trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at point O. It is also given that AB is equal to 2CD. AB is equal to 2CD. We need to find area triangle AOB upon area triangle COD. Okay, so given in trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC and diagonal intersect each other. AB is equal to 2CD. Let's do. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, angle AOB is equal to angle COD, that is vertically opposite angle, and then angle OAB is equal to angle OCD, alternate interior angle. So triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD, and if triangle becomes similar, by the theorem of similarity we can say that area ratio of both the triangle is equal to the ratio of their corresponding side square. That is area triangle AOB upon area triangle COD is equal to AB square by CD square. And we will write reason, that is using theorem of similarity. Okay, so I am going to use here theorem of similarity. After this, area AOB upon area COD is equal to AB. Replace AB by 2CD, so it will become 2CD whole square divided by CD square. Okay, now simplify it. So because AB is given 2CD, now area AOB divided by area COD is equal to 4cd square, because the square of 2 will become 4 and cd square will be as it is, and then again cd square. So both cd square will be cancelled, and after doing the cancel, we can write it area triangle AOB upon area triangle COD is equal to 4 by 1 or 4 is to 1. In this way we will solve this question. Okay, now we will going to solve another question. Now in this question you all can see this figure, and construction also we have did it. Now let's read this question carefully. In this figure it is given that ABC is one triangle, another triangle is DBC. These two triangles are drawn on the same base. These two triangles are drawn on the same base BC. Okay, and then we need to show area ABC upon area DBC is equal to AO by DO. Write it given triangle ABC and triangle DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. AD intersect BC at O. We need to prove RTP area ABC upon area DBC is equal to AO by DO. We will do construction that I told you in beginning only, that draw AM. We will draw AM which is perpendicular to BC, and in same way draw DN which is perpendicular to BC. Let's begin the proof. We will take two triangle and we will going to prove these two triangles similar. That is triangle AOM and triangle DON DON. Okay, triangle DON DON. Now in these two triangle, angle AOM is equal to angle DON, and the reason will be vertically opposite angle. So angle AOM is equal to angle DON, and reason will be vertically opposite angle. Okay, after this angle AMO is equal to angle DNO, each 90 degree, each 90 degrees. So these two triangle become similar, that is triangle AOM is similar to triangle DON by angle similarity. And if triangle becomes similar, then their corresponding side ratio are in proportion, that is AM by DN is equal to AO by DO by definition of similarity. That's why I've written definition of similarity. Everywhere I'm writing it definition of similarity, because if triangle becomes similar, their corresponding side ratio are in proportion. Now let's take those two triangle. One is triangle ABC, another one is triangle DBC as per the requirement. So area triangle ABC upon area triangle DBC is equal to half into base into height. Half base height is AM, base is BC. In same way half height is DN, base is BC. Okay, we use area of triangle formula. After this, area ABC upon area DBC, BC will be cancelled and half will be cancelled. So we will getting AM by DN, and we can use it. Right now we proved it, AM by DM is equal to AO by BO. So using equation 1, we can say that area ABC upon area DBC is equal to AO by DO. Okay, so in this way we will prove this question. We need to do little bit construction in this question. That's we did it question number 3. Now we will going to solve the another question. Let's see how to solve the another question. Okay, here you can see two triangles are there. One is triangle ABC, another one is triangle PQR. Now let's read it. What was asked in the question? Let's go through. If two triangles area are similar, it is said that if the area of two similar triangle, it means that two triangles are similar and their area are also equal. Two things was given. If area of two similar triangle means triangle is similar and their area are equal, then we need to prove they are congruent. Okay, so given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and their area are equal, that is area triangle ABC is equal to area triangle PQR. RTP triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Let's begin the proof. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is given. It means that area triangle ABC by area triangle PQR is equal to AB square by PQ square, okay, is equal to AC square by PR square and BC square by QR square. This we use the theorem of similarity. Okay. Now here it is given in the question that area triangle ABC and PQ are equal. So replace area triangle PQR by ABC. Rest as it is. Everything we will write as it is. That is AB square by PQ square, BC square by QR square is equal to AC square by PR square. And what we use here? We replace triangle PQR by triangle ABC. That is area triangle ABC is equal to area triangle PQR. After this, both will be cancelled, getting 1. AB square by PQ square, BC square by QR square, AC square by PR square. It implies that when we will compare each one by one, we will get AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, AC is equal to PR. Now we need to prove triangle congruent. So take a triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now in these two triangles, AB is equal to PQ, proved above. BC is equal to QR, again proved above. Okay, and then we have AC by PR. This is also proved above. We proved right now only. So these two triangle, which two triangle? That is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by which congruency criteria? SSS congruency criteria. Okay, so in this way we will prove this question. Okay, so that's all for today. In next class we will do rest of the question. Thank you everyone.